The Pinky Promise. Hello, welcome to the dark secret behind the innocent act of the pinky promise. I think most of us over the years have sworn a pinky promise. Well, the pinky promise is the act of intertwining your pinky finger together with someone else to signify a promise, and woe betide if you break it. I make a pinky promise with my students to undertake a certain study or watch a film or read a book before our next lesson. That's the nice side of the pinky promise. But the dark side of the pinky promise starts in its origin in Japan around the 1500s, when the Japanese mafia tribe called the Yakuza used to cut off the pinky finger if that individual broke a promise. This was called yubikiri, meaning cut the finger off. So there we have it, the dark side of the pinky promise. So ta-ra a bit.